Palagi po nating ilagay ang parenthesis sa calculator with ang distance formula or pagkuha ng distance using this distance formula or revised Pythagorean theorem. Ang distance formula is equals to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, palagi nating ilagay dito ang parenthesis. So, we have an example. This is the point A and the point B. Using the distance formula, makikita natin ang distance nitong dalawa. So, using the distance formula, we substitute the value of this particular formula. So, kapag na-substitute na natin yan is 2, the square root of 2 minus 0 squared plus negative 3 minus 1 squared. So, palagi po nating ilagay ang parenthesis sa calculator. Note, always put the parenthesis in the calculator kasi kapag walang parenthesis ay nag-iiba ng sign. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung sagot, square root of 4 plus 16 is 20, and pag in-square natin siya is distance is equals to 4.47 squared unit. So, ang distance ng dalawang point na ito is 4.47.